this is what I got. This is called the Wingsland X1 Wi-Fi FPV Micro drone. So I just got this one, and we're gonna go ahead and see what else this one can do. So it shoots in what? Let's see over here. It shoots in 720p HD. Wow, let's go ahead and check this out. And like I said, if you did not subscribe my channel, and you can go ahead and subscribe. And I do also do extreme reviews on these guys. So we're gonna go ahead and check this guy out. Wow, look at this package here. Looks nice. They come up with a brushless with this one, the Wingsland, but I'm not really too happy with it because the way the props is so tiny. Hopefully this one is a little bit different. So wow, look at this guy. And it comes with a tool. Okay. Wow. It's pretty heavy. Got some weight to it. Got some cool look to it. I don't want to mention, it does look like a kind of like a Mambo. It does look like the Tello. But the reason why I'm going to say this now is, and this one's supposed to have down position sensing. And then we're gonna go ahead and see how this works. And it comes with a battery. Let's go ahead and look at the battery here. And it comes with this big props. Wow. Pretty strong. So what else in the box? So the unboxing in this thing is pretty decent, and it comes with the micro. Wow, look at this. Very interesting. And also the battery. This one right here got it's 600 milliamp. It's 7.3 volts, and you already know, you guys already know. I compare this to that. Well, you can see the big difference here with the Tello battery. Alright, you guys can see the battery here. This one says 600 milliamp, 3.7. And you can see the Tello is 1100 milliamp, 3.8 volts. So you can see the big difference. So this is what it comes in the box. You get a props, you get a micro USB, and you also get a battery, and you get this Wingsland X1. It's supposed to be FPV, but see, the thing here is, if you decided to use the prop guards, you always have to take out the props. So, you know, I don't know why they could have just made one kind of like the Tello or the Mambo. Like I said, I don't really want to compare it, but I'm guessing right now, you know. I'm just thinking of a way of making this possible. So if I don't like to get the props, I have to take off the prop guard. So I have pretty much have to take off the propellers off just to get to the props. I don't know about that. See, even though it hits something, it's gonna go this way. If it hits something, it's gonna go that way. Okay, well, we're gonna go ahead and see, check this all out. And thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and see more of this Wingsland flights and everything else. So thank you, and I really do appreciate it. Anyway, this Wingsland X1 has this cool look to it, and it's got some pretty solid feel to it on this one. It's the way it feels, I don't want to compare it to this is my because I had Mambo and Parrot Mambo. It feels like a Parrot Mambo body shell. It has those soft touch to it. You can see here when you press it, it clicks, but everything else is good. I'm not a fan with this prop guards. I like the prop guards to be right here, because you know, touching the motor, touching this all the time is, you're gonna wear this out like crazy, because there's some days that you just want to use prop guards too, you know. Just depends where you're at. But anyway, yeah, so go from here, and I'll get the app and let it run for you guys. Thank you for tuning into my channel.